In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw your simple token. Yes, if you look here, you can see listening. If you look here, you can see listening. So I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw the simple token to your simple app in preparation of the listening. So if you click on this listening now, you can see withdraw your simple coin. Then see the withdrawal conditions. Withdrawal are possible once every 24 hours. You must confirm the receipt of simple coin in the simple app. So for us to be able to withdraw our simple coin, we have to create an account on the simple app. So head on to Play Store, download the simple app, and once you have downloaded it, you open it. So if you look here, you can see mine. You can see the simple app. So I'm just going to open it and we sign up. So I'm going to guide you through the sign up process, every single thing that you need to know. By the way, my name is Jane Francis. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So here on the simple app, you're just going to click on get started. So here you have to enter your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address here, and you confirm that you are over 18 years old and continue. So they sent an OTP to my email address, so I'm just going to enter the OTP and we continue. So I'm going to enter the confirmation code 610638. So they are verifying it. So they have verified the OTP. So here you have to enter your personal details. So I always advise you to use your personal details as it is in your national ID. So I'm just going to enter my first name, then last name, date of birth. You choose your date of birth. Make sure you're up to 18 years old. If not, they won't approve your account. So I've entered my date of birth and the country. Then here you can see referral code. If you look below here, I don't know if they give bonus for using referral codes. Currently I don't have any referral code, but I'll be leaving mine at the screen or in the description box of this video. So click to add referral code. So if you click to add referral code, you're going to see the option to add referral code. So I'll be leaving mine at the screen or in the description box. So do well to use it. I don't know if they give any bonuses or welcome bonuses for using referral code, but I guess they do. So make sure to use mine. It will be on the screen right now or in the description box. Make sure to use it. So I'm just going to click on continue. So yeah, you have to create a pin, kind of login pin. So make sure it's something you always remember. So I'm just going to create my confirm pin. So here enable biometrics. So I'm just going to enable it. so I can be able to log in with my fingerprint. So I've done that. So guys, regarding the KYC, I figured out that I didn't see the button for us to the KYC, that is know your customers. So I did some research and I found out that there is a minimum amount that you deposit in your wallet for you to be able to carry out the KYC. I think like 30 USDT that you have to have in your wallet. Then the button for you to do the verification will now pop up. So, but that's not the reason why we are here actually. So now that we have created our simple app, we have opened our simple app, next thing is for us to connect it to the one on Telegram and withdraw our token and wait for the listening. So I'm just going to go back to Telegram right now. Please don't be bothered about the KYC because it's not going to prevent us from withdrawing our token. So guys, we are now on Telegram. So if you click on here, listening, this coin has not listed yet, so you can just withdraw your coin to your simple app and then wait for the official announcement. So you can see their withdrawal conditions. Withdrawals are possible only every 24 hours. You must confirm the receipt of the simple coin in the simple app. So before we do that, there's another thing we need to do, which is connecting our wallet, like connecting this Telegram to our simple app. And make sure that you use the same email on both this Telegram and also on the simple app. So you can see I use the same email. So if you look up here now, you see that mine is connected because I used the same email. You can see it's showing connected with simple app, but yours will show connect. So make sure to do that. But advise you, if you use the same email you used here, you can see on my profile, you see my email. Hold on, it's loading. So on my profile, you see my email address, you see my age, and you also see gender. So if you use the same email while signing up on the simple app, it's going to connect automatically. So let's go back to withdraw. So I'm just going to click on continue. So here you enter the amount of simple coin that you want to withdraw. This doesn't prevent you from earning more simple coins, though. I'm just showing you the withdrawal process. So let's say, let me withdraw, okay, mask, let me withdraw 600 and okay, 671. So let me withdraw this. So now I've entered the amount I want to withdraw. Next thing is to click on withdraw. It's processing it. It says success. You have successfully withdrawn 671,000 simple to your simple app. Go to the simple app and credit the fund to your balance. So I'm going to go to the simple app to confirm this. Let me use simple app. Let me confirm this. So you can see collect simple coin. So you just have to click on collect to confirm this. Don't click on decline, no, so you will not lose it. My simple coin. So I've just confirmed it and it has been credited. So guys, I've just successfully withdrawn and confirmed the 671,000 simple coin. So we are waiting for the listing, official listing. For now, you can only withdraw to the app. You cannot sell it or transfer to other exchanges. So if you want to see your coin, just click here. Let me show you. Click here, you see simple coin, just click on it. Click on it. So you can see that simple coin that I withdrew from Telegram. You can see that's 671,000 469 simple coin that I withdraw. You can see it here, it is reflecting here. So this is how simple and easy it is for you to withdraw your simple coin from the Telegram to the simple app. So let's wait officially for the listening. If you want to get more info on that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So let's wait for official info from the simple community when this coin will be listed, and let's be hopeful that it's going to be USDT and not dust. This is where we are stopping today. Make sure to follow these steps, and if you got value from this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Peace.